put another on my crazy feelings.
Yay! Thank you, Vince.
Somebody new, I swear she
Thank you so
don't
much. So, gumalaw yung live data ko ngayon.
She's still on my mind.
Thank you. Thank you sa inyo. Andy Boy, hello. Ano to? Up to? Legit ka dyan? Hi, Jo. Ba't na kayo natin ganda? Basta masaya ako. Tapos naman. Ayan, hello. Thank you. Ano to? Up ka, Yanko? Eric! O napindot mo lang? Hi, D. Hi, John. Alam mo ba, yung iba, ginagawa dyan sa bubble. Inuuna nila yung bubble bago yung bells. Ha? Ayan o, naka-up ka. Napindot mo siguro. Lee, hello. Check mo. Kaya nga inas ko muna kung mag-up ka o hindi. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, tell me you're the one. Miracle, hello. Up ako. Ba't up ka? Chris, hello. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Ay, baka napindot lang. Oo, baka nga napindot. Jeff, hello. Nakalagay. Thank you, I will stay. I remember, hello. I need a girlfriend. I am 19-year-old. Wow. You need a girlfriend or a boyfriend? Charot. Jackie B. Honest man. You need a girlfriend. I need a girlfriend. Nasa workout, paano ko na? Hindi, na ano nga siguro yan. Kasi bago na si Vigo, kasi meron dyan makikita dyan sa gilid. Yung parang plus. So parang pag na-click mo siya, mag-automatic up na. Yan. If you were here with me now, say each other why. Cause you're the closest thing to ilang taon na po kayo, ma'am?
So don't you worry,
na lang
I'll never forget.
Nasa work ka ba, Yang? 3 na lang ako. Oo, bagong ano yan. Bagong update ni Vigo yan. Kaya ganyan. Hi, Gab. I have money. Oh, you have money? Okay, send dragon. You have money? Okay, send dragon. You know dragon? You have money pala. Sana all. Yaniko, hello. Ruben. Yasir. Parang umi-epekto yung dasal mo ngayon, David, ah. Yan mo pagdadasal din.